Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the GitHub. Today we are going to learn how to upload a project into the GitHub. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So how to upload a project on the GitHub? So first of all, you have to create a GitHub account, then install the Git into your Ubuntu system, then configure the Git with the help of the git config commands. So here you have to mention the username and the user email, right? Now we have to create a new repository on the GitHub. So let's go and create the repository. So here we have the repositories, your repositories. Go there and just create your repositories over here. Okay, so new. So here we will put it as node project. Okay, and here you need to add the description, right? Okay, and template you can choose anyone, and readme file if you want, and here we will choose the node part. Okay, license no, create a repository. Okay, so here we go with this one. Now go to any of your project. So here we have the project. So currently I'm going to with my this project, right? Or any other project we can make it like PayPal. Okay, so node modules I want to delete this. Okay, and let's make this one. Okay, so control L, control C. Let's open the terminal, or just open the terminal from here also. Open a terminal. Okay, so first of all we have to initialize a git repository locally. So let's go with git init. Okay, after this I will go with the git branch. So currently it give me the branch, currently it's not there. Okay, so let's create a branch. So here we are going to create a branch. So git branch, we have this one, git checkout hyphen b new feature. I'm going to create a branch. Okay, so if I go with check this one, git branches this. So currently switch to that branch. Okay, so next we are going to add this all the code. Okay, now we are going to go with git implemented this one new feature. Okay, this is done. Now if I go with the git branch, here you can see that now it's coming up like new feature branch. Okay, now I'm going to push the code into that branch, right? But before I need to go with the remote origin, which origin I need to push. So here I need to just go copy with this one, right, and paste it over here, which origin I want to paste it like this. Okay, and just copy this remote origin and paste it over here, because I need to push the code into this GitHub repository, right? So this is done. Now I'm going to go with the git push origin, my branch name. So git push origin, my branch name is new feature, right? So asking for the username and the password. Let's put the username and password. So let me go and just copy the password from top of it. So here we go with this one. This is my password, that is SS token. So you don't know how to create that one, I have already uploaded the video regarding this in the playlist. Okay, so this is done. If I go, new feature has the recent push changes, compare and pull the request. Okay, so here you can see that the code is pushed into that branch. Okay, now you can generate a pull request and now merge request. Now you can push this request into your main branch, right? So if I go to this node branch, here you can see that in the new feature branch I have all the code updated. Okay, so this is how you can upload a project on the GitHub. Any doubt, any query, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.